Hello everybody, so I've got a new box full of cubes. This one has 5 cubes in it, and it's a cube set, Coolzon, whatever that means, and that's the name of the brand, and 5 cubes in it. It's the speed cube set. So this video is probably going to be in 5 different parts, because that's how many cubes there are, or maybe less than 5 parts, because there's 2 new cubes that I do not have in my collection that I really want to explore. So those will be in different ones. But before actually making this part, I just put this one back in the box. It's the 4x4, and I didn't solve it. I solved it once. I solved it once, twice, I think, maybe. And now I ran into a parity when solving this. But dang it, can't get this unboxed. Dang it, I ripped it. Dang it. Well, it's open at least. So basically, I ran into a parity. So the name of this one, it's called the speed cube. Okay, it's in Japanese and I can't read that. So I got this parity right here, the edge parity, when this needs to be flipped. I'm just gonna try like that. Alright, so when this needs to be flipped, and I think I just remembered it. Wow. Yeah, apparently I don't know it. That's fine. But basically I recorded some footage about this like a few minutes ago, and I'm just gonna go ahead and play it right now. But so basically this cube is pretty good. I've never actually held a 4x4 other than this, so I can't really give that much of a review on this, because like I said, I'm inexperienced with 4x4, so anything I say is wrong probably. So I'd say that overall you can do this pretty well. And you can see I'm doing this at ease. I don't know if that's something that you can do with all cubes, like 4x4s, because I don't own one other than this. But this feels pretty good to do. Yeah, outer layer feels good too, but when you're doing it, sometimes like it gets locked up, but not that easily. So yeah, I like this one. It's great, but I haven't felt any other ones, so I can't really say if it's that good. So if you're new to a 4x4, or just cubing basic in like any cube, if you're new to any cube, like this could be good for you. Like I'm new to the 4x4, and I'd say this is pretty good, pretty good. And turning is very good. Like you can turn very easily on this. Color recognition is easy, especially, I think I should have just, okay. Recognition and everything is great on this if you've used a cube with similar colors. But if you haven't, it's fine, because they also, if you order this, they also have whatever you call it. They also have different, like there's a white version. Like look on this box, there's a white version. But I do think that they should make like that, those like all plastic and like, you know, one of those, but they don't, and I don't really like stickers, so, yeah, I wasn't happy about that, but it's fine now because the way it turns just, and the way that it is, it's a 4x4. I'll take any 4x4. And, yeah, now the other foot is... Alright, so, hi guys. So, I just got my 4x4, and, alright, yeah, I did that. Great. I'm just learning how to do it. I just watched a tutorial. Great tutorial. And... Alright, try to adjust the angle. So, give me 1 second. Alright, so, great. Alright, so, what did I do? I did what I'd call the hardest part. I did what I think is the hardest part, which is the, edge pairing. I'd say the centers are easy to do. And right now, since I did that, if I don't get any parities, this should be just a 3x3. Yes! I did it! No parities! Yes, that's great, but I think I should practice my parity. And then... yeah, just messed my whole thing up. I'm gonna get it back to where it was before. Alright, I think I got lucky. Because after the centers, a lot of these edges just came together. And, there's just 2 of these left. Okay. There was more than 2, right? Yeah. Confusion. I think... is there any... okay. So I can just do that. Like that. And that did absolutely nothing. What? Yeah. I've got no clue what I'm doing. This one right here. Okay, so I gotta make these 2 different. Up, that way. Did it. Alright. Okay, wait, I think I've got to take this. Put it up here. And now when I do this, should be good to do that. Perfect. Now I can do the algorithm. No, I did that wrong. Dang it! Dang it. And I forgot what I even did. That was wrong, so. Alright, well now I'm back on the algorithm. Double D R, wait. I'll come back whenever. Alright, perfect. Now, alright, hi guys again. So I figured out the parody with the help of a video. I'll put the name of the YouTuber on the top when I'm editing it. But I got the help of that person, whatever their name is, and so basically I learned it now, and I know 2 look PLL and 2 look OLL, so I did one of the algorithms, and now I got this, which is an easy one.
And I solved it again. Great. Yeah.
So after filming this video, I realized that I actually did not take an outro of this video. And sorry if you can hear that dude yelling. It's my brother. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and hope you all enjoyed, and the rest of it should be coming shortly after this one is filmed. And the 4x4 is great. I've done a bunch more solves on it, and it's just great. I haven't timed any yet because I'm afraid to see what the times will be, but it's great, and I'll definitely be making more videos about it. That's it. Hope you all enjoyed. Bye.